Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you guys how I prepare fresh fish, tilapia. So guys can see this one is boiled, already boiled it. So when you buy it, you wash it very well. Then you boil it before fry, or before you want to roast it. You won't boil it, you just season it and roast it. Yes, and fry it and then roast it. So I have to boil it so that the seasoning will enter inside. So guys can see this is 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the one I fry. I want to do the pepper. See another one here and fry. So another one inside the fire fry. And this is the sauce that I'll use for it. This is tomato sauce. And I'm boiling rice that I will use to eat it with my family. So I just want to share it with you. This fish is very, very rich and it's very, very sweet. Tilapia, I think everybody knows it. It's very, very rich and it's sweet, dark, and tomorrow no day. So I'm trying. If you want to enjoy it, you fry it or you roast it very well. When you roast it or you fry it very well, then you pepper it. Then you make your sauce or stew, or you put it inside the stew and take and eat white rice or anything. So I just want to share it with you. This is what I prepare for my family for dinner. Today is Sunday. So as I'm boiling it, so it's scatter. Because it's very, very soft. The fish is very, very soft. So if you are boiling it, if you are not careful, all of them will scatter. So as I'm boiling it, some scatter, but I'll see fry it. I fry it today, okay. See the one I don't fry. This I'll prepare it. Take the other one is on the fire. So that is all for fresh fish, tilapia. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe and share. I love you guys. Anything I do, I'll show you guys. So thanks for watching. Please, if you are not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, comment and share. We meet again in my next video. I love you guys. Bye. Bye bye.